Hello guys, this is a flashback video back in year 2018 where the world is still healthy. Luckily, we managed to visit Nature Loving Wonderland. And Nature Loving Wonderland is located at Hsinchu, Taiwan. During this trip to Taiwan, we have the chance to try the vegetarian food, and you know what? It's a paradise here for vegetarians and vegans. We also have the chance to experience high-speed rail, aka bullet train, and this experience is awesome. It is at this very moment we felt touched when we have the first glimpse of Nature Loving Wonderland. This is our final home. This is where we are heading, and this is where our ultimate mission to bring everyone back to our final home, which is Nature Loving Wonderland. And we have finally completed our mission to bring our family to visit Nature Loving Wonderland. At least they know where the final home is.
我们在鞋子外面套上鞋套，才能够进入主店做参观。那鞋套领取在主店的另外的服务台，这边可以领取鞋套。这里有洗手间、茶水间可以做使用。那待会参观。
幸福中。Please wait until the whole world has recovered from this COVID-19 and plan a day or a week to visit Nature Loving Wonderland. This is a must because you will see how magnificent it is for the design, for the building infrastructure, and for the atmosphere there. Unfortunately, we can only take photographs or videos outside the buildings. Inside the buildings, we are not allowed to do so because of some of their concerns, and we are glad to just abide by the rules. we also have the chance to visit Fortunate Coffee Cafe. This is a vegan cafe located in the premises of Nature Loving Wonderland. Of course, there are many good food, many varieties, and there is also vegan Fortunate Pizza.
This is vegan pizza. 幸福披萨。
So this is the end of the tour. No photography and videography allowed in the buildings. Therefore, there are no footage available. We can only take photos and videos outside. See you guys, take care and stay tuned.